Hello everyone, in this video we shall be looking at how to solve subtraction problem using split strategy method. Let's look at some examples. We have 512 minus 439. First of all, we need to separate it into tens, 100 and units. So we have 5,000 10 and 2. This one is 400 minus 30 minus 9. So you subtract. 2 minus 9 cannot borrow 10 here, call it 12. 12 minus 9 is 3. This one is 0. 0 minus 9 cannot borrow 1 here, call it 100. 100 minus 30 is 70. This one is 400. 400 minus 400 is 0. So therefore your answer is 70 plus 3 is 73. Your answer is 73. Let's look at another subtraction method. We have 484 subtract 127. So here you need to group it by tens, 100 and units. So you have 400 minus 100 equals to 300. The second one is 80 minus 20 equals to 60. The third one is 4 minus 7 equals to minus 3. You now add it. You have 300 plus 60 plus minus 3 is equals to 357. 357. Let's look at another method. We have 586 minus 257. So here you need to partition it into 100, tens and units. So you have 500, 80 and 6. Then you have 250 and 7. Secondly, you need to group it into hundred, tens, and units. So you have 500 minus 200 80 minus 50 6 minus 7. So you have 500 minus 200 is 300 plus 80 minus 50 is 30 plus 6 minus 7 is minus 1 equals to 300 plus 30 is 330 minus 1 is 329. 329. Let's look at another examples. You have 565 minus 108. So you have 565 minus 100 minus 8. So 5 minus 8 cannot borrow 10 here. This one will be 15. 15 minus 8 is 7 plus this one is 50. 50 minus 0 is 50. 500 minus 400 is 400. So your final answer will be 457. Thank you for watching.